This video explores using mobile hardware as infrastructure, specifically for bridging connection gaps without relying on mobile data. This capability is valuable for site engineers, electricians, industrialists, and researchers. The mechanism is a transparent bridge. Unlike a standard hotspot using mobile data, a Wi-Fi sharing relay uses the smartphone as a repeater. This routes data traffic solely through a local Wi-Fi network, resulting in 0% mobile data usage. Field deployments include academic settings for extending library infrastructure, industrial applications for IoT diagnostics and site connectivity, and remote operations for bridging sensor gaps. The hardware prerequisites include an OS kernel of Android 9.0 or higher. The radio needs concurrent 2.4 GHz reception and 5 GHz transmission. Power requires the PD charging protocol for high load delivery. To configure Android, navigate to Settings, then Network. Select your source Wi-Fi, go to the tethering menu, and enable Wi-Fi sharing. Configure a unique SSID and password. Bypassing iOS limitations is necessary, as native iOS hotspot defaults to cellular data. Options include using Bluetooth tethering or a USB bridge hack, where the PC becomes the broadcast node. Performance realities show that a direct router connection offers the highest speed. A 5 GHz extension reaches about 65 megabits per second, while a 2.4 GHz extension is about 30 megabits per second. Prioritize the 5 GHz rebroadcast. To calculate the sweet spot, place the mobile device halfway between the source and the dead zone. The placement rule is to maintain a minimum 2-bar stable signal for the rebroadcast. In terms of physics, obstacles cause signal loss, often a -6 decibels drop. Free space path loss, or FSPL, is critical for long-range modeling. For thermal and power dynamics, the CPU modem area generates heat. You should remove insulating cases, avoid direct sunlight, and utilize pass-through charging to manage heat and power. Securing the bridge involves using WPA3 encryption, ensuring a secure tunnel. Treat the bridge as a secure tunnel when extending public networks. The architecture in your pocket requires dual-band hardware, halfway placement, power management, and WPA3 security. This results in a deployable, active network relay.